State-level salute given to two slain soldiers killed in two IED blasts at Lokchau yesterday. CM Biren assures of stern actions. Minor girl repeatedly raped by her uncle. Whereabouts of the accused unknown. In his first official visit to Manipur, Nagaland Chief Minister Sirhazile Lezitsa appeals the people of both hill and valley to live in peace and harmony. And Young Welfare Club Langtabal emerges the winner of 14th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. Good evening viewers, you're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Priyo Bartha Sharma with the top stories and latest news of the day. State-level salute was given to the two slain soldiers of the Bravo Company 165 Battalion Territorial Army who were killed in two IED blasts yesterday at Lokchau. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, family members of the deceased soldiers Arjun Baral and Warisho Hungyo were present on the occasion at 165 Infantry Battalion Territorial Army Alpha Company in Koiringai Airfield. CM Biren laid wreath on the lifeless bodies of the two personnel. Bugle was sounded and 2 minutes silence was observed as a mark of respect to the departed souls. DGP, IG, SP of Manipur Police and Deputy GOC of IG 57 Mountain Division, IGAR South also paid floral tributes to the slain soldiers. Earlier, Chief Minister met with the family members of the deceased and offered his condolences. He assured of stern actions against the culprits. Later, the mortal remains were taken to their respective homes for last rites.
I condemn in the strongest term. You see the families. These army peoples are here to serve the nation, to protect the integrity of the country, to serve the people. So, this kind of acts, we should not tolerate it. Government should not tolerate it. No, we will offer it and we will try to find out the culprit and to book according to law. No, right now I cannot say, but our intelligence source is trying hard to find out who is behind the attack and we will punish them.
In his first official visit to Manipur, Nagaland Chief Minister Sirhazile Lezitsa appealed the people of both the hill and valley to live in peace and harmony. He also urged the Meiteis to play a vital role in the process, being a majority group. In an attempt to improve the relationship between the states, Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren had officially invited the Nagaland Chief Minister. Sirhazile Lezitsa arrived in Imphal along with former Nagaland CM T.R. Zeliang and other ministers. Speaking to media persons at Hotel Classic Grande in Chingmairong, he further said he is in Imphal to appreciate the developmental works taken up by the new BJP-led government in Manipur in both the hills and valley equally. The Nagaland Chief Minister also pointed out that both Nagaland and Manipur face a lot of issues. However, there are visible changes. People have also started living in peace and he appealed the people to maintain the same. He asserted that there will be development only when we live in peace and harmony. Sirhazile Lezitsa said the 4 NPF MLAs in the Manipur government will play a vital role in the developmental works of Manipur.
BJP and NPF in Nagaland, we have alliance. And I believe that alliance has created some good impact in Manipur also. I have assured him that once these 4 legislators are with him, they will be with him till the last. We are all aware that in both the states, Nagaland and Manipur, there were so many crises. But now people have seen ray of hope. They have seen the herald of a new dawn of peace and understanding. We are sorry for some of our leaders in the past who have exploited the situation to their selfish end, created feelings among the different communities. But now with the change here in Manipur state, we believe that era is already over. The people in this region, we have different ethnic groups. These different ethnic groups should learn how to live together.
Chief Minister of Nagaland also stated that the blockade of culture in both Nagaland and Manipur has now ended. New governments in both the states are not involved in creating tensions amongst communities like in previous occasions by the then governments. He asserted that the cordial relationships between the two states from time of our forefathers will be boosted. Responding to a media query, the Nagaland Chief Minister said, due to traffic congestions in Kohima during the daytime, there are inconveniences to the trucks not only from Manipur but also from Nagaland. He said discussions are on to find a solution.
We have seen in the past that there was no development also, and therefore we appeal to the people of Manipur, maybe in the plain, maybe in the hills, to learn to live together. Our forefathers were very good neighbors. There were stories, and we have to live together as long as this earth exists. And therefore, we are very happy to be here with you today to convey our feelings that we are your good brothers, younger brothers. You are aware that Kohima streets are very small, and you will always face traffic jam, congestions, and therefore sometimes trucks are not allowed to enter into the city. And so we are also thinking how to make some diversion roads so that at least the trucks, not only Manipuri trucks, but Nagaland trucks also can have better access to their business.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham asserted that the children will remain within limits if raised appropriately. He said the upbringing of the parents decide the future of the children. The minister was speaking at the 52nd annual day celebration of Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 at Lamphel today. He further said there is no such thing as failures in life and that there are only learnings. He emphasized on educating the youngsters to be independent. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Principal Secretary Vinit Joshi, teachers, parents and students of the school were among those present at the event. Certificates and medals were also presented to those students who had won in various national and regional sport events. Dance and song performances by the students were the highlights of the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam emphasized the need to bring about innovative changes in the 50 to 60 years old education system in our society. He said a vocational-oriented education should be provided to students.
After dumping our children in a good school, our role is over. Factory that is not correct. Angang singda positive mana tambiba phatta wang su phai haibir wadam farado ni phatte any sabira wa hayang nei school la ka batala neba aduna school has to be a center for attraction, not a place for hatred. Everyone has been given his or her role. Politician khakdana loina oine haiba leite, police khakdana loina tawgane haiba sun leite, then administrator akoi IS officer khakdana loina tawne haiba sun leite, a role given to you.
A man, after having raped his niece repeatedly, has been absconding. The accused is identified as a 25-year-old Longjam Pinky, son of Longjam Chauba from Thobal Kunau, Thongkong Lairembi. Although a case has been registered at Thobal police station, his whereabouts are still unknown. The incident occurred on the 4th of this month, late in the afternoon. The accused is said to have also raped the girl 3 months ago. Speaking to media persons at Press Club today, the aunt of the victim said the girl is traumatized after the incident and does not want to venture out of the house. She also stated that the incident has created a sense of fear among the people of the locality. She appealed the police department and civil society organizations to help investigate the matter.
Nongalaga tang mangas tangang gi mitigin chekcha luraga halakpa matam je khoin hange metam sikar matam da phabi duno hangba matam da suksoi soidana tha ahum oiro sahi moro ma bu khoina suksoi thoi digi phara tan di phangni hai khoi thuna phaba pame angang je class 6 ta kap da ngairi school chalo ha ba yaraktre mapan thu ha ba yate aduna khoi di lamhang oibinina achik po oibinina atheng amam tar or sunung dar mo chunung tin tala or su tuka laira thokpa mapa laipa thokpa je ki re mayam singjina mateng khara pangbiraga kai gi lakhopa ya bu khopa mateng khara pangbiu.
Bangladesh ki Thamoi Kondagi, a book written by A.K. Siram and Punshi Chuppa Senabiu, written by Ayakpam Anju, were released today at a function held at Smart Security Service, Terakaithel. The event was organized by Patriotic Writers Forum, Manipur. The books are published by Rakesh Naurem. Bangladesh ki Thamoi Kondagi is an anthology exclusively published in Meitei Mayek. Punshi Chuppa Senabiu is published in both Bengali and Meitei Mayek. Both the writers are Manipuri diaspora in Bangladesh. President of Patriotic Writers Forum Raghu Leshangthem Senior film actor and producer Samjit Saba Mangoljao and several other literature and poetry enthusiasts were present on the occasion. Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD Imphal organized an interaction program under the theme Strengthening India-Japan Collaboration, an Opportunity for Higher Education and Research in Japan at IBSD Conference Hall, Takilpa today. Director of IBSD Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, Director of University of Tokyo, New Delhi Hiroshi Yoshino and staffs of ISBD were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Hiroshi Yoshino urged the students in the state to avail the scholarship and other facilities provided in different universities of Japan. Professor Dinabandhu Sahu appealed the students to grab the opportunity and study in Japan. Pangal Student Organization PSO and Manipuri Students Federation MSF jointly organized a 3-day youth residential camp from May 5th to May 8th at Youth Hostel Imphal on the theme Building Up Moral Value. Political Unified Link Lipul has lauded the efforts of All India Tanzum-e-Insaf Lilong Local Council in finding out the details of non-distribution of the PDS items in Lilong constituency. It's time for a small commercial break, but we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News, and in further news, the High Court of Manipur invites applications for recruitment of stenographer grade 1 and 2. Details are available on their website www.hcmimphal.nic.in. Poirei Leimarol Meira Paibi Apun Balup Manipur, All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amavova and Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee have condemned the murder of Lunglailu in separate press releases. The 6th SUK state level spelling competition will be held on June 4th at Johnstown Higher Secondary School. Sagolban Block Congress Committee has boycotted Councillor Pukhrambam Devala, who was elected from Sagolban Ward number 8 in the Congress party ticket. Speaking to media persons at the residence of MLA RK Imo, Vice President of the committee Thonojam Brajamani Maitei strongly condemned Pukhrambam Devala's joining the BJP on April 5th without informing the Congress MLA of the constituency and the party leaders. He termed the act of joining another party by breaking the party's rules as uncivilized and said a disciplinary action will be initiated against her. Sagolban Mahila Congress Committee also strongly condemned Devala's action.
अखोई सगोमल ब्लॉक कांग्रेस कमिटी दा कईगुम्बा वाफम अमा फावबा हाइरमदना मांगना हेता अखोईगी यामना अखोईगी पार्टी की अदुगुम्बा चटना कांगलोन डिसिप्लिन दु ngakतना महाकी अपामबदुना मांगोइनरगा हनक सुमाइना बीजेपी दा यावगना खोतना तौबसे अखोइना सगोमल ब्लॉक कांग्रेस कमिटी की साइट की अखोइना कंडेम तौबा अदुगा महाकी मथक्ता लौखतबा याबा अखोईगी पार्टी की साइट की डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन और एनी
Kaishampa Thiam Lekai Development Committee under the supervision of Sija Eye Care Foundation organized a one-day free eye care camp and subsidized cataract surgery camp at Kaishampa Thiam Lekai Community Hall today. The camp that began around 9 AM was attended by many elderly persons of the locality. The camp also provided the benefit of availing cataract surgery and other eye treatments by paying a meager amount of 1,000 rupees at the hospital.
Masida piriba khudong chabasing asi akoigi cataract kumba operation koi Sija hospital masi leibam chabam gi operation gi lens ki kai ga yaurga punna lupa lising amakatang gi khudong chabasi pibi bani aduna masi umba ke masi koi gi lairaba amadi zero mind lejaraga su Kaishampa Thiam Lekai amadi masi gi akoi bada leiriba nageta tariba praja singi athumlaba makoi gi yengbiraga chatpangam daba allaman singa chigi yengaga koi hairiba koi mit naing bagi ke mase club asina Sangjabani, Aduga Hariba, Silor Matunda, Koi Matanga Choko medicine program, Chatajagan, Koi Kanjari.
And now in some sports news, Young Welfare Club Langthabal emerged the winner of the 14th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the final match played today at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium in Luang Sambam, winning the toss, Cyclone Thamiban decided to bat first. They scored a meager 94 runs in 29.3 overs, losing all wickets. In reply, Young Welfare Club Langthabal scored the required runs in 29.1 over at the loss of 9 wickets. E. Borot presented a trophy under his mother's name, E. Kainahanbi, and a cash prize of 15,000 rupees to the winners. Runners-up were presented a trophy under the name of late A. Ibomcha and a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. President of MVCA and Indrajit, patron member of MVCA C.H. Chauba, and lovers of the game were present on the closing day. Imphal West District FC bagged the third position of Urja CAPF Under-19 Boys Football Tournament. In the third position match played today at Kumalampak Main Stadium, Imphal West District FC beat Imphal East District Football Team 3-2. For the winners, NJ Milan, RK Robin and KH Chinkai netted 1 goal each in the 47th, 66th and 90th minutes of the match respectively. TH Aboy and Sahabaz netted a goal each in the 22nd and 89 minutes of the match for Imphal East District Football Team. Imphal East Football Club will play Thobal District FC in the finals tomorrow. And Young Welfare Club Langthabal bagged the third position in Urja CAPF Under-19 Girls Football Tournament. In the third position match of the tournament played at Kumalampak Main Stadium today, Young Welfare Club Langthabal thrashed Imphal West School team 6-1. For the winners, A. Roja and Silky netted 2 goals each, while H. Daya and Kritina netted a goal each. The lone goal of the Imphal West School team that bagged the fourth position came from PH Sanatokpi in the 77th minute of the match. Kripsha Nauremthong will play Eastern Sporting Union Wankai in the final match tomorrow at 10 a.m. And before we end the headlines once again. State-level salute given to 2 slain soldiers killed in 2 IED blasts at Lokchau yesterday. CM Biren assures of stern actions. Minor girl repeatedly raped by her uncle. Whereabouts of the accused unknown. In his first official visit to Manipur, Nagaland Chief Minister Sirhazile Lezitsa appeals the people of both hill and valley to live in peace and harmony. And Young Welfare Club Langthabal emerges the winner of 14th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament.